So I just came down from up there. I've been hiking a little bit this morning. Like I said, everyone is resting, sleeping, and I came down here to do some hiking and take advantage of this beautiful place. I want to see if I can get closer to that waterfall that goes through that lake here. I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer, but this place is beautiful. Hiking here is very nice. This is the first time that I've been here in this place. Actually, I've been here visiting family before, but this place, it's the first time we come and visit here. Everyone is resting, and I'm doing hiking here. It's pretty awesome. Let's see if I can get closer to that waterfall. It's beautiful. So I just wanted to share. Stay active, friends. Don't stay still. Alright. I hope that you enjoyed these video clips as much as I'm doing. I'm enjoying this place to the fullest. In the middle of difficult situations, there's always a place that you can find to rest mentally and spiritually and emotional way. It doesn't matter the circumstances, just find a way to overcome difficult things in your life. That's my advice to you. This place is beautiful. So there you go. I hope you like it.